How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. We got a Jackson item. This is part of our safety brands. Maxview Premium Face Shield. Let's take a look at this and unbox it right now. Alright, so it does come in plastic. That's good. That way it doesn't get all scratched up. Alright, so we got that. It looks like it's got a good film onto there. Peel off film on both sides before using. We got the adjustable head strap in the back. That swivels right there. Looks like you can also adjust it right here. On the sides we got a sweatband right here. Looks pretty cushiony, you guys. So that's good. And then on the inside you got to peel this off as well. So let's read the back of the box. Meant for high impact, panoramic view, anti-fog, and a framed chin. Part number 14200. You can find this on our website at vermonttoolcompany.com. Thanks for watching.